Washington State University's Department of Apparel, Merchandising, Design, and Textiles is preparing for their 39th annual fashion show. This year's show centers on vitality. WSU's senior design class of 2022 will be presenting their collections on April 1st, according to the show's Squarespace site.
Working on this collection has really brought the whole senior class together. We're all going through the same process, and it's really easy to relate to each other and help each other out, so that's been a really nice thing to have.
Each designer creates 3 to 4 pieces that cannot be viewed by the public until they hit the runway.
So the reason that designs are kept more on the secret side is kind of an agreement that we have with WSU, because they're technically owned by WSU. I don't know quite the reasoning behind it, but we just can't show until the fashion show.
Designers have been cultivating their collections since the start of the school year. They are free to take all creative liberties by interpreting the fashion show's theme however they wish.
Finishing a garment is probably one of the most rewarding things you can do as a designer. Having put in so much work and then finally seeing the final product and seeing it on a person, and it's just totally what you imagined, hopefully. That's just really cool. It's so nice to see, and I'm looking forward to seeing that with my own collection once I'm done.
This is the first in-person fashion show WSU has put on in 2 years. The modeling committee is finding a drastic decrease in student engagement following the pandemic.
We're working with around 50 models right now, but if we were, 2 years ago or 3 years ago, 2019, when it was our last fashion show, we had about 100 models that, were modeling. So yeah, we definitely saw a big gap between the engagement and if students really wanted to be involved with the fashion show this year.
A bulk of the models for the show are WSU underclassmen pursuing a degree in a fashion-related major. These students are developing their design skills to eventually present in upcoming shows.
Hi, I'm Elise Panjay. I'm a apparel design and textiles major, and I am a freshman here at Wazoo.
Students new to the fashion program learn to make mood boards, design garments digitally with professional editing software, and learn to sew by hand. Being able to showcase their garments in the AMDT fashion show is the goal students work towards.
I hope I can pass down that legacy of working on the fashion show, because I think that is so cool that Wazoo has been doing that for a couple of years, I think.
This year's fashion show will be from 3 to 9 p.m. on April 1st.